Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial footage in crystal clear 4K, effortlessly navigating through forests, or flying over oceans with a drone that practically flies itself. Whether you're a tech enthusiast ready to capture new heights or just starting out, these top consumer drones of 2024 will make you rethink what's possible in the sky. From intelligent flight systems to stunning camera capabilities, these drones are setting the standard. Ready to see which models are changing the game this year? Let's dive in. Number 5. Holystone HS720E. First on our list, we have the Holystone HS720E, a budget-friendly drone that doesn't skimp on features. If you're a beginner or a casual drone enthusiast, this model offers everything you need for capturing great footage at a fraction of the cost of high-end drone. The HS720 comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera that captures stunning visuals with electronic image stabilization, EIs, ensuring smooth and steady footage even when you're flying in less than ideal conditions. Its 90-degree adjustable lens allows for versatile shooting angles, and you can capture sweeping landscapes or close-up action shots with ease. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or exploring your own backyard, this drone makes it easy to record memorable moments. Flight time is also solid at 26 minutes, which is quite impressive for a drone in this price range. And thanks to its GPS-assisted flight system, the Holystone HS720E has automatic return to home, Earth functionality. So if the drone flies out of range or the battery gets low, it will automatically return to its starting point. This feature gives peace of mind, especially for new pilots who may be worried about losing their drone mid-flight. Now, while the HS720 is missing some high-end features like obstacle avoidance or more sophisticated flight modes, its foldable design makes it travel-friendly, and the intuitive app interface ensures an enjoyable flying experience for beginners and seasoned users alike. If you're after an affordable yet feature-packed drone, the Holystone HS720 is a great starting point. Number 4. Parrot Anafi Ai. At number 4, we have the Parrot Anafi Ai, a groundbreaking drone with industry-first features. This model is a top pick for creators and professionals who need advanced capabilities in a portable design. What sets the Anafi Ai apart is its 4G connectivity, a feature that no other consumer drone offers. This means you can fly the Anafi Ai without relying on Wi-Fi, making it perfect for long-distance flights or remote locations where the signal might otherwise drop out. Whether you're a content creator streaming live footage or a surveyor working in isolated areas, that uninterrupted connection can make a huge difference. The Anafi Ai is also equipped with a 4K HDR camera with a 180-degree tilt gimbal, giving you the flexibility to capture unique angles that most drones can't. For example, you can shoot upward-facing shots, a perspective not many drones offer. The 4080p still images ensure that every detail is crisp, whether you're shooting landscapes, architecture, or people. On top of that, the Anafi Ai is loaded with AI-powered features, including automatic subject tracking. The AI algorithms allow the drone to adapt to its surroundings, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about flying. And with a solid 32-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of airtime to get all the footage you need. One downside is that the Anafi Ai lacks obstacle avoidance, so flying in environments with a lot of obstacles requires extra caution. Still, its ultra-portable design, combined with its AI and 4G capabilities, makes it an exciting option for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Skydio 2 Plus. Coming in at number 3 is the Skydio 2 Plus, an upgraded version of the Skydio 2 that takes autonomous flying to a whole new level. If you're looking for a drone that flies itself with precision, this model is hands down the best option. The Skydio 2 Plus is equipped with an array of 6 360-degree cameras, which give it unparalleled obstacle avoidance. Whether you're flying through dense forests, navigating urban landscapes, or filming extreme sports, this drone can handle it all. Its AI-driven flight system tracks objects and predicts their movements, ensuring you get the shot you need while the drone avoids trees, walls, or other hazards. One of the standout features of the Skydio 2 Plus is the new keyframe mode. This allows you to pre-program the drone's flight path and camera angles, creating cinematic shots that are nearly impossible to replicate manually. You can capture professional-grade footage with minimal effort. Simply plan the shot and let the Skydio do the rest. It's a game-changer for filmmakers, content creators, and even adventurous outdoor enthusiasts who want stunning, smooth footage. When it comes to imaging, the Skydio 2 Plus doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 12-MP camera that can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR. Whether you're filming fast-moving subjects or capturing a breathtaking vista, the results are vibrant and professional-grade. Its flight time is 27 minutes, which is decent, though not the longest on this list. The trade-off for this incredible autonomy is that the Skydio 2 Plus isn't as manual control friendly as some other drones. However, for those prioritizing safety and ease of use, it's a top contender. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. Taking the second spot is the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, a powerful drone that's making waves in 2024 for its superior camera capabilities and low-light performance. If you're serious about photography or videography, the Evo Lite Plus should be on your radar. The Evo Lite Plus comes with a 1-inch CMO sensor and a 50MP camera that captures stunning 6K video at 30 frames per second. That's higher resolution than most drones in its class, making it a fantastic option for anyone who wants to capture ultra-high-definition footage. What really makes this drone stand out, however, is its ability to perform well in low-light conditions. With an adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, you can capture breathtaking shots even during twilight or at night without sacrificing image quality. In addition to its stellar camera, the Evo Lite Plus offers an impressive 40-minute flight time, the longest on this list. That's plenty of time to get creative with your shots, whether you're working on a professional project or just enjoying a leisurely flight. The Autel Sky app also provides intelligent flight modes such as Orbit, Follow Me, and Waypoint, making it easy to capture dynamic, automated shots. Advanced obstacle avoidance sensors add an extra layer of safety, allowing you to fly through complex environments without worry. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, and its rugged build ensures that it can handle most flying conditions. One downside is that the Evo Lite Plus doesn't offer the same level of AI-powered autonomy as the Skydio 2 Plus. It requires a bit more manual control, which might not be ideal for those looking for fully autonomous flight. However, for professionals focused on image quality, the Evo Lite Plus is one of the best options on the market. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. And finally, taking the top spot is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. No surprise here, DJI has long been the leader in consumer drones, and the Mavic 3 Pro is their crown jewel for 2024. This drone does it all, from stunning camera quality to advanced flight capabilities. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with a dual camera system featuring a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor. It captures 5.0K video at 50 frames per second, and the 20MP still images are simply stunning. Whether you're shooting landscapes, real estate, or action sports, the image quality is unmatched, with impeccable color accuracy, dynamic range, and low-light performance. It's the dream drone for professionals and hobbyists alike. But the Mavic 3 Pro isn't just about image quality. It also excels in flight performance. With up to 46 minutes of flight time, this drone allows for long, uninterrupted flights, giving you plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. It also features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which means it can avoid obstacles from all directions, making it one of the safest drones to fly. DJI's O3 Plus transmission system ensures a stable video feed up to 15 kilometers away, which is perfect for long-range flight. The Mavic 3 Pro also includes intelligent flight modes such as Master Shots and Focus Track, which make it easy to capture dynamic, cinematic footage without needing advanced flying skill. For anyone serious about aerial photography or videography, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the top choice for 2024. Its combination of camera quality, flight time, and intelligent features makes it the best all-around drone for both beginners and professionals. And there you have it, the top 5 consumer drones of 2024. From the budget-friendly Holy Stone HS720E to the ultra-advanced DJI Mavic 3 Pro, there's a drone for every level of flyer. Whether you're capturing family vacations, creating professional content, or simply exploring the world from above, these drones offer incredible technology that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. Which drone will you be flying this year? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content that will keep you ahead of the curve. Until next time, happy flying!